We got old Glory right there being flown by our little guy, our little green guy.
AllCoastLawncare.
Hey, today I want to give a review on my yard after using Malorganite. So about almost 2 months ago, I did 3 videos. One was dethatching the yard, and then another video was aerating the yard, and another video, the third video was using Sunniland fertilizer. It's like the clone of Malorganite. It's equivalent, but it still does the job. And so just like 9 days ago, Home Depot had they got a pallet of Malorganite in. I was like, cool. So I bought me 8 bags. And I laid down about almost 7 bags on one spot over there. I'm about to show you. It's on the corner of a main road. You know what I mean? So I want to get that part like popping. You know what I mean? The grass getting green and full. Just because that's what everybody sees. You know what I mean? When they're driving by. So I want to get that curb appeal. So and I did like this little side right here with Malorganite right there, and like right over there. That's my side over there. So usually they say wait like a couple, like I get advised wait about 3 weeks before mowing your lawn. I even laid down like a little bit of seed, centipede seed on the bare spot. You know what I mean? But the grass started growing. All right, so but I couldn't wait. I needed to mow the grass because it's already been over a month and a half since I mowed the grass. You know what I mean? Doing those first 3 videos I told you about. So let's see how it turned out. So I just mowed the lawn too, at 3.5 inches. This is centipede grass. They say centipede grass should be mowed like about 2 inches, but I did 3.5 because I just want the grass to show. So let me show you. So here's one spot where I laid down the Malorganite. So right there, I drive back and forth with my truck and my trailer. So right here, I treated it with Malorganite. So if you see these lines right here, it's because they're gonna do some. They're about to lay. I think they started doing fiber optic. That's what the city's doing. So and here's the other side of the sidewalk right here. So I know what you're thinking, like, wow, man, is that all? Hey, look, y'all, this was worse at first, okay? So I didn't detach or aerate this in those first 3 videos I showed you about 2 months ago. But when I did the Malorganite, I did aerate it though. So I mowed the lawn at 3.5 inches today. So this is what we got so far, y'all. So those bare spots right there, I put some seed on there. I should have waited longer before I mowed it. I've been watering it like every day with the sprinkler system. We got old Glory right there being flown by our little guy, our little green guy. So if you see these, see them popping right here, that seed, that's that new grass growing right there. I don't know what's going on with these bare spots, but hey, the season's not over yet. Three and a half inches. Remember, about almost 2 months ago, I detached it, aerated, laid down Sunniland, and then about 9 days ago, I laid down some Malorganite. I hope you enjoyed that little tour of my yard. The outcome of using the Malorganite a little over a week ago. So hey, just keep in mind, I'm not the lawn whisperer. This is a how-to channel. It's like about starting up a lawn care business, mowing, edging, trimming, hedging, picking up leaves. Okay, so that's what I do. That's what I'm good at. All right. This is my first time actually like laying down Malorganite. All right, so if this is your first time too, and you're watching this channel because you want to know, you know, what I mean, you want to know how to do it. I hope this helps out. All right. Hey, you can learn from the good, you can learn from the bad. So hey, take something from this video and use it. So I hope you like this video. Please hit like and subscribe. This is a how-to channel. You watching this video, you watching the other videos on this channel helps the algorithm going and gets these videos out to people searching how to do lawn care. And other than that, y'all, God bless. See you on the next video. Bye.